Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss some concepts of straight line. So let's talk about the intercepts. So intercept, how do we define intercept? The intercept of any line, how it is defined as, is the point at which it crosses either the x-axis or the y-axis. So the point where the line crosses x-axis or y-axis, we call it as intercept. Like for instance here, this is your straight line, this is your line, it is intersecting the x-axis and y-axis. It's intersecting the x-axis at this point, which is, yes, how do we write the coordinate of this point? X is minus 4, y is 0. And the y-axis at the point 0, 6. Correct? Because along x-axis, the value of y is 0 and along y-axis, x is 0. So, these 2 points are called the x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. So, what you need to remember is that for x intercept, as it is intersecting the y-axis, the value of y should be 0. So here the x-intercept is minus 4, 0. Whereas for y-intercept, as it is intersecting the y-axis, okay, sorry, here it's intersecting the x-axis, not the y-axis. For y-intercept, it's intersecting the y-axis. So the coordinate of x should be 0. So here it is 0, 6. So now this figure is given to you. So you can easily check the x-intercept and y-intercept. What if the figure is not given? Instead, you will be given the equation of a line. So in that case, how you will find the x and y intercept? So what are the steps in that case? As you know that for x-intercept, the line should intersect the x-axis. Okay, so at x-axis, what do you have? You have y equal to 0. So in the given equation of line, set the value of set the value of the other variable. You are finding the x-intercept. So set the value of y as 0 and then solve for x. So you will get your x-intercept. Similarly, when you have to find the y-intercept, what you will do? You will put the other variable, that is x equal to 0. Why x equal to 0? Because it means the line crosses the y-axis where x is 0. And then solve it to find the value of y. Let's understand this with the help of example. Suppose they have asked you to find the x-intercept and y-intercept of the line. 2x minus 3y equals 10. So we will do it one by one. So let's start with x-intercept. So x-intercept means it crosses the x-axis. Okay, it crosses the x-axis means y is 0. So let's write the line 2x minus 3y equal 10. So to find the x-intercept, what we will do? What you have to set? Y equal to 0. Or you can substitute y equal to 0 in this equation of line. Okay, let this be equation number 1. Set y equal to 0 in the given equation of line. So what happened? You just substituting y as 0, not changing anything else. So this gives you 2x sin minus 3 multiplied by 0 equal 10. So what you did? You just replace y by 0. Solving it. 2x, 3 multiplied 0 is 0. Gives you 10. So you get 2x equal to 10. What you have to do? You have to find the value of x. So what you will do? You will divide both sides by 2. So this cancels. And 10 you can write it as 5 times 2. So yes, this gives you the value of x as 5. Okay. So what you obtain? When y is 0, you got the value of x 5. So in this case, your x-intercept, how you will write? This is important. You'll write x-intercept as a point. So you can write x-intercept as 5 comma, the value of y is 0. Or you can write it as x equal to 5. Okay, so you should be familiar with both the notations. Now, moving forward, what we need? We need to find y-intercept. So what does y-intercept means? It means the point where it crosses the y-axis. It means x equal to 0. So take your given equation 2x minus 3y equal 10. Let this be equation number 1. And then here substitute x equal 0. This x. Okay. In equation number 1. So you will be changing only this x by 0. Don't change anything else. So this gives you 2 times 0 minus 3y equal 10. We substituted 0. Okay. So this gives you 0 minus 3y equal 10. So what this gives you? Minus 3y equal 10. What you need? You need the value of y. So divide both sides by minus 3. So this gets cancelled. You get the value of y as minus 10 over 3. It's okay. You can keep it in this form. You don't have to put it in the decimal. Okay. So in this case, the y-intercept will be what? X is 0. So we always write the point first as x value and then the y value. So this is one way of writing the y-intercept, or you can write it as y equal minus 10 over 3. Okay, both will work. Clear? Let's move to another equation to make it more clear. So again, the same thing. Okay, the equation of line just got changed. So it is okay if you see equal to 0 on the other side. You don't need to worry about it. Follow the same process. Okay. So for x-intercept. So what you are going to do for x-intercept? You are going to set the other variable, that is y, as 0. Correct? So you have the equation 5y minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. When you substitute y0 here, what you get? 5 times 0 minus 2x minus 6 equals 0. Just replaced it by 0. So this whole term cancelled to 0. What you left with? Minus 2x minus 6 equals 0. So now you have to solve it for the value of x. So this gives you minus 2x equals 6. Taking this minus 6 to the other side. Okay. And now dividing both sides by negative of 2. This gives you x is equal to negative of 3. Okay. So when y is 0, x is equal to minus 3. So this is your x-intercept. So x-intercept is minus 3, 0. Okay. Moving next. Y-intercept. What you will do? Set x equal to 0 in the given equation. Your equation is 5y minus 2x minus 6 equal 0. Okay. What you are going to do? Substitute this x as 0, giving you 5y minus 2 into 0 minus 6 equals 0. You replace it by 0. So this cancels to 0, giving you 5y minus 6 equal to 0. Now solving it for y, you will get 5y equal to 6, dividing both sides by 5. Okay, this gives you y equal to 6 over 5. So x 0, y is 6 over 5. So your y-intercept is, yes, 0, 6 over 5. Clear? Let's take another example. Here they are asking find the x-intercept and y-intercept. of the line x equal to 10. So it is x equal to 10. There is no y, correct? So because for x-intercept what you are doing, we are substituting y equal to 0. And for y-intercept we are substituting x equal to 0. So there is no y. So if you want to substitute y equal to 0 here, you will get the same. Like you have x equal to 10. Okay. If you set y equal to 0, what you will get? Again, x equal to 10. So this means your x-intercept is 10, comma 0. The value of x and the value of y. Okay. Whereas when you talk about the y-intercept, what you have to do? You have x equal to 10. You have to substitute x equal to 0. So what this gives you? 0 equal to 10. Is it possible? No, not possible. So in this case, you will say no y-intercept. Means this line doesn't cross the, yes, y-axis. Okay. So there is no y-intercept. So line doesn't cross the y-axis. Similarly, if they give you this equation which involves only the variable y and they ask you to find both x and y intercept, how we will work? For x intercept, we have to put y equal to 0. So if we substitute y equal to 0, this becomes meaningless. For y intercept, on the other hand, we have to put x equal to 0. So let's see, for y-intercept, what we will do, we set x equal to 0. There is no x. So what you get? Y plus 7 equal 10. What this gives you? Y is equal to 10 minus 7. That is y equal 3. So yes, you have y-intercept. So in this case, you can say y-intercept is 0, comma 3. Like here you were having the x-intercept. Okay. On the other hand, when they ask you about the x-intercept, since there is no x, so there is no x-intercept. What does it mean? No x-intercept. It means this line, what your line? Y plus 7 equal 10. Or you can say y equal to 3 doesn't cross or doesn't meet at the, yes, x-axis. Clear? Isn't it? Like if you want to visualize it, see in this case what happened? This is your x-axis and y-axis. So x equal to 10. So suppose this is 5, this is 10. So this will be your line x equal to 10. And it's not meeting the x-axis. So it's not having any y-intercept. On the other hand, if you look at here, this is x-axis, y-axis. What is your line? Y equal to 3. Say these are the points 1, 2, 3. So this is your y equal to 3. Is it meeting the x-axis? No. So that's why no x-intercept. Okay, clear?